After priming and setting the eyes, I'm using a white sticky base to make the next color extra vibrant. On top of that, I'm packing a dark, cool blue with a matte finish. I list every product in the description box. Next, I'm starting by packing a matte cobalt blue along the edges with a small, dense brush. Then I'm switching to a large, clean, fluffy brush to blend. Continue to slowly build up color and blend until satisfied. All of that blending means pigmentation loss, so go back in with more of the dark blue. Make sure your blending is seamless before moving on. Next, I'm using a light bluish teal to form a softer transition along the edges. To create the wing, you can either use a flat angled brush or a tiny fine-tipped brush. Both work, but I found that the tiny brush gave me more control. Either way, you want to wet the brush and begin by drawing a thin line against the lash line with a metallic light blue. Use the angle of your lower lash line as a guideline for the wing. Starting not quite at the tip to keep the point nice and sharp, connect the wing to the upper lash line. Slowly thicken and shape the line. For my eye shape, I like to make the line straight when the eye is looking down. Clean up any fallout and apply your usual facial routine. Using a small pencil brush and concentrating at the base of your lashes, apply a dark blue to the lower lash line. Diffuse the edges with the light teal shade. Soften any harshness with a clean brush. Line the waterline with a blue eyeliner. Highlight the brow bone and inner corner with a glittery silver. Finish off the look with some mascara and you're done! Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, where I post sneak peeks and updates. Feel free to let me know what you think of this look and request any looks you'd like to see. Thanks for watching!